Hello and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'm going to be doing a speed clean for you. I'm going to be showing you what I do when I get back from dropping the kids to school, because I never have a chance to tidy up before I drop the kids to school. So when I get back it always looks a bit of a mess, and yeah, just going to go around picking toys up and also giving the kitchen a good clean because it's still a bit grubby from last night. For the kitchen and probably throughout the house, I'm just going to be using Sephora. I've diluted some in this little bottle here to spray on the sides, and then upstairs it's just kind of tidying up toys and making beds. So yeah, let's see how we go. I hope you enjoy. So I'm going to hoover now. I'm going to put a capful of the Sephora into my hoover drum bit, because then when I'm hoovering it just wafts out the smell and it's so good. Right, so now I've got to go upstairs, which is looking very messy. But first, I'm going to give my bath a bath with this. I'm going to pour a couple caps of this in the bath and fill it up with warm water. So it's like giving my bath its own little bath. And it will make it all nice and clean, and it will make the upstairs smell all cinnamony. This is one of the Christmas scents. Yum! Put my little upstairs scrub bunny in there, give him a soak. Look what she has done to her room. And this is all just from this morning as well. Just got every single toy out and play with it. It's quite cute actually. The LOLs are playing the LOL game, which is quite sweet. So that is a bit better. I'm going to leave their game out because they said they wanted to play it when they got home from school. So I've left it out. So that is it for today. It was a very quick clean up because it's just what I do literally when I get back from the school run. I just like to make sure that the beds are made and like the surfaces in the kitchen are clean. So I'm going to be doing a video every day for October, Vlogtober, and tomorrow's video is going to be a come to home sense with me. So make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss any of my videos. I'm going to be doing lots of crafty ones. I'm going to throw a couple fitness like exercise ones in there, and maybe some more speed cleans, just loads of stuff and some hauls. But yeah, if you have any ideas of what you'd like me to do a video on, then let me know. I'm going to do a video on how I make some of my Christmas crafts as well later on in October. So yeah, I'd love if you subscribe so then you don't miss any of my videos, and give this a little thumbs up if you did enjoy it. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in another video. Bye.